Welcome to Tech Vibe. Today, we are diving into the future of ultra-lightweight cinematography. If you've been thinking about buying a drone recently, you might want to hit the pause button. The leaks surrounding the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro suggest that DJI is about to break the laws of physics once again. We are talking about a sub-250-gram drone that doesn't just compete with its bigger brothers, it might actually make the Mavic series sweat. For creators in the US and across premium global markets, the Mini series has always been the holy grail, professional power without the FAA registration headaches. But with the Mini 6 Pro, DJI is rumored to be moving beyond just being good for its size to being better than anything else in your bag. The heart of this beast is the sensor. For years, the community dreamt of a true 1-inch sensor in a mini drone. While we have seen steps toward that, the Mini 6 Pro is reportedly taking a massive leap forward with a 1-inch stacked CMOS Titan sensor. If you follow camera technology, you know that the word stacked means speed. This architecture allows for a nearly instantaneous readout, which effectively eliminates rolling shutter. Imagine flying at high speeds through a forest or tracking a fast-moving car, those vertical lines will stay perfectly straight. No more jello effect that ruins high-speed action shots. But it gets even better. The most persistent leaks from the supply chain point toward 6K video at 60 frames per second. Yes, you heard that right. 6K in a pocket-sized drone. For those of you working in high-end production, this is a total game-changer. It means you can shoot in 6K and have the incredible flexibility to crop in or reframe for a 4K timeline without losing a single pixel of sharpness. It is the ultimate safety net for solo creators who cannot always nail the perfect framing on the first pass while flying solo. Now, let's talk about the lens optics. Rumors are swirling about a variable aperture, something we have rarely seen outside of the Mavic Pro or Inspire series. Leaks suggest a range from f/1.8 to f/11. Think about the practical implications for a moment. On a bright afternoon in California or the Mediterranean, you will not have to keep landing to swap out ND filters. You can simply stop down the aperture to maintain your shutter speed, giving you that perfect cinematic motion blur in real time. On the flip side, that f/1.8 wide-open aperture combined with the stack sensor is going to make this the undisputed king of low-light drone photography. But what good is a great camera if you are afraid to fly it in complex environments? This is where the Mini 6 Pro is set to leave the competition in the dust. We are seeing reports of Nightscape LiDAR. While current drones use visual sensors that struggle in the dark, LiDAR uses laser pulses to map the environment. This means the Mini 6 Pro could offer full omnidirectional obstacle avoidance even in pitch-black conditions. If you are a real estate photographer shooting golden hour or a filmmaker capturing the neon glow of a city at night, this drone will protect itself in ways we have never seen before in this weight class. The transmission system is also getting a generational upgrade. Say hello to DJI 5. This isn't just about distance, it is about signal penetration. In dense urban environments like New York, London, or Tokyo, signal interference is a constant nightmare for pilots. 5 is designed to cut through that electronic noise with a more robust, high-bandwidth signal that promises a 20-kilometer range with near-zero latency. You will get a 1080p live feed at 60 frames per second that feels like a hardwired connection, giving you the confidence to fly behind obstacles or at extreme distances where it is legal to do so. The flight time is perhaps the most shocking revelation. Achieving nearly an hour of flight in a sub-250-gram frame seemed physically impossible just a year ago, but internal leaks suggest a new high-density battery chemistry is being deployed. We are looking at a projected 58 to 60 minutes with the Plus battery option. For professional pilots, that is a revelation. It means fewer battery swaps, less time on the ground, and more time waiting for that perfect light to hit your subject. It effectively doubles the productivity of a single flight session compared to drones from just a few years ago. There is also a whisper about a revolutionary 360-degree gimbal roll. We already have the ability to flip the camera into vertical mode for social media, but imagine the gimbal being able to rotate a full 360 degrees while the drone is in forward flight. This would allow for creative barrel rolls and completely new cinematic perspectives that were previously only possible with high-end FPV rigs or heavy cinema gimbals. It opens up a whole new world of creative movement for the everyday creator. The design of the drone itself is expected to see a refined aerodynamic profile. To squeeze out every second of battery life and maintain stability in high winds, DJI has reportedly redesigned the prop arms and the cooling vents. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to handle wind speeds up to 15 meters per second, which is staggering for a drone that weighs less than a smartphone. This means you can take it to coastal cliffs or mountain peaks where you would normally be terrified to fly a lightweight drone. As for the internal processing power, the Mini 6 Pro is expected to feature an AI-driven pilot assist chip. This isn't just for avoiding trees, it is for intelligent tracking. The leaks suggest Active Track 7.0, which can distinguish between subjects with uncanny accuracy. It can differentiate between a mountain biker and a hiker even if they cross paths or go behind thick cover. The drone will predict where the subject will emerge and maintain the shot flawlessly. For professional colorists, the inclusion of 12-bit D-Log-M and HLG is a given, but there are rumors of a ProRes light codec being tucked away in the firmware. If true, this would provide a level of data richness that allows for Hollywood-level color grading on a drone you can fit in your jacket pocket. The dynamic range is expected to hit 14 stops, putting it on par with dedicated mirrorless cameras. So, when can you get your hands on it? Based on DJI's typical release cycles and the frequency of these high-level leaks, we are looking at a late 2026 release window. As for the price, expect a slight premium. With this level of tech, 6K video, LiDAR, and a variable aperture, it is likely to sit around the $899 to $999 mark for the standard kit. It is a jump, but considering it might actually replace your much heavier and more expensive Mavic 3, it is an absolute bargain for professional creators who value portability. The DJI Mini 6 Pro isn't just an incremental update, it is a statement. It is a declaration that the Mini label no longer means compromise. It is the drone that finally lets you travel light without ever feeling like you left your best gear at home. It bridges the gap between the hobbyist and the elite cinematographer, making professional-grade aerial footage accessible to anyone with a backpack and a dream. Before we wrap up, think about what this means for your workflow. Is 6K video enough to make you upgrade from your current setup, or is that 60-minute battery life the real star of the show? The shift toward LiDAR technology alone marks a new era in drone safety and autonomy. We are moving toward a world where the drone is an intelligent partner in the creative process rather than just a flying camera. Thanks for watching this deep dive on TechVibe. If you found this information valuable, make sure to like and subscribe with notifications turned on. We are tracking these leaks daily, and as soon as the official word drops or the first images of the hardware surface, you will hear it here first. We are committed to bringing you the most authentic and up-to-date tech news from around the globe. Stay tuned for more updates on the future of flight and the technology that is changing the way we see our world. I am looking forward to seeing what you create with these new tools. Until next time, keep exploring and keep creating. Thanks for watching TechVibe.